Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to get a code from webflow. So first of all, log in to webflow, and then from your dashboard select the project that you want to export. Click on the gear icon next to the project name to access the project settings, and then click on the code export tab on the left side of the project settings panel, and then you will see an option to export your code. Click the export code button. Webflow will package your HTML, CSS, JS, and assist into a zipped file, and then download the zip file, and then make sure that the exported code is static HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And if you use Webflow CMS or e-commerce features, you will need to handle dynamic content separately. Alright, so additional points to consider: make sure that you test the exported site locally by opening the HTML files in the web browser, and you may need to make further customizations or optimizations depending on how you plan to deploy the exported site, and then ensure that you manually add any necessary SEO or search engine optimizer tags or analytical tools that you might have configured within Webflow. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.